In this demo, we're going to see how Celonis addresses key value opportunities within the logistics process to improve shipment planning. Specifically, we're going to show how we can improve on-time delivery by addressing manual route changes, ultimately improving customer satisfaction and reducing operating expenses. Let's meet Jen, our VP of Logistics at a technology hardware distribution company. She is driving this strategic agenda to improve customer satisfaction by improving on-time delivery. Jen starts her day reviewing the company's logistics performance across all the areas she cares about most: on-time delivery, rework, and inquiries, giving her a real-time overview of her logistics team's targets. Her on-time delivery stands out to her at 61% as it is trending downwards and well below her target of 80%. Celonis has calculated that if she is able to improve her on-time delivery, she can realize an impact of €4.6 million in potential based on overall shipment cost reduction. She needs to understand what needs to be done to improve the on-time delivery. She asks her analyst Pauline to investigate. Based on the transactional data in the underlying systems, Celonis gives Pauline a real-time X-ray of her company's logistics process, automatically consolidating data from multiple underlying source systems, including several different SAP instances and Oracle Transport Management. By default, we're seeing the most common path the process takes. But as we expand, we start to see deviations. The most common variant is one where route change takes place. Pauline understands route changes happen due to uncontrollable reasons, but she is surprised this is happening so often. As we continue to increase our view to include the path the shipping and related documents can take, we see the true complexity of how the business runs. Celonis untangles this complexity by addressing the who, what, where, when, and why of these process deviations. Celonis has highlighted that manual route changes is the top inefficiency based on volume and impact. Pauline clicks into the inefficiency to take a deeper dive into its impact. Celonis quantifies the impact of route changes. On the left, she can see the total increase in shipment cost of €8.2 million as a result of route changes, leading to penalties, discounts, and customer drop-offs. Based on a 30% reduction potential in route changes, Celonis has calculated an enormous savings potential of €2.4 million. Celonis surfaces the root causes to these route changes and prioritizes them by volume so Pauline can prioritize which root cause to act on first. Pauline can see that non-optimal route is the top root cause, meaning that the default route assigned is not the optimal route the shipment should follow. Pauline filters for customers affected by this specific root cause. She can see the top customer affected by is costing the organization an additional €512,000 in discounts and penalties. But Pauline should not have to comb through all customer shipments to identify if shipments are following the most optimal route. And she doesn't have to. Celonis helps Pauline take action at scale to eliminate route changes. Celonis Action Flow scans all shipments and their routes to detect if the shipment is taking the most optimal route to meet on-time delivery. If the shipment is for a low-value order, Celonis automatically reassigns the shipment to take the recommended route. If the shipment is for a higher-value route and therefore requires special attention, Celonis creates a task for her logistics team to review the route before it is assigned. Let's see how our logistics coordinator, Jannik, handles these recommendations for high-value orders. Jannik logs into his Celonis task inbox and identifies the shipments prioritized by Celonis. He clicks into the first shipment and sees Celonis' recommended route. Celonis describes the logic behind its route recommendation. We can see here that if the shipment follows the recommended route, it will arrive 4 days earlier, meeting the customer's delivery expectations. Jannik assigns the recommended route to this shipment and moves on to the next shipment. Now, let's break down what we just saw. We just saw Celonis enabled the logistics team to improve their shipment planning process. Jen, the VP of Logistics, used Celonis to get end-to-end visibility of her organization's performance in real time. Pauline, the analyst, identified key opportunities impacting on-time delivery and shipping costs. Jannik, our logistics coordinator, took action at scale to eliminate non-optimal route changes, improving on-time delivery and preventing unnecessary shipping costs. By driving more efficient execution, Celonis has helped the team take proactive action to improve customer satisfaction and reduce operating expenses.